Food Safety Facts. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel Food Safety Facts. Today, we're addressing a topic that's vital for maintaining a healthy lifestyle: understanding the differences between cleaning, sanitation, cleansing, and hygiene. By grasping the nuances of these four concepts, we can all work towards a cleaner, safer, and healthier environment. So, let's jump right in and discover what sets these practices apart. First up is cleaning. Cleaning refers to the process of physically removing dirt, debris, and impurities from surfaces or objects. This usually involves using water, soap, or detergents, combined with manual scrubbing, wiping, or mopping. Keep in mind that while cleaning is essential for maintaining a neat environment, it doesn't necessarily kill all bacteria and viruses that could pose a health risk. Next, let's discuss sanitation. Sanitation goes beyond cleaning by targeting and reducing the number of harmful microorganisms, such as bacteria and viruses, to safe levels. This is achieved through the use of chemical sanitizers, heat, or ultraviolet light. The primary goal of sanitation is to minimize the risk of infection and illness, making it crucial for upholding public health in places like restaurants, hospitals, and food processing facilities. Now, let's move on to cleansing. Cleansing is often used interchangeably with cleaning, but it generally refers to a more specific or focused process, particularly in the context of personal care. This includes practices like washing your face, using a body scrub, or detoxifying your system through a dietary cleanse. Cleansing can be viewed as a targeted and more thorough approach to purifying or refreshing a specific part of your body or your overall well-being. Finally, let's explore hygiene. Hygiene refers to the set of practices that help maintain health and prevent the spread of diseases. Personal hygiene focuses on individual actions, such as hand washing, showering, and grooming. Environmental hygiene, in contrast, involves maintaining clean and sanitary conditions in shared spaces like homes, workplaces, and public areas. Good hygiene practices are essential for protecting yourself and others from infections and diseases. To recap, cleaning physically removes dirt and impurities, sanitation reduces harmful microorganisms to safe levels, cleansing is a more specific and targeted approach to purifying, and hygiene involves practices that promote overall health and prevent disease. By understanding the differences and implementing all four aspects in our daily lives, we can create a healthier, safer environment for ourselves and those around us. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay clean and stay healthy. So, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and join us on this journey to better food safety. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.